Hello students, in this lecture we will see some more examples on probability, especially the examples based on playing cards. Here first we will see the information about the cards. There are total 52 cards. Out of 52 there are 26 black cards and 26 red cards, and there are 12 picture cards, that is J, Jack, Queen and King are called the picture cards, and there are 4 suits: spade, spik, there are 13 spade cards, then club, there are 13 club cards, that is kilbar, diamond, there are 13 diamond cards, and there are 13 heart cards. So picture cards are, there are 12 picture cards, that is JQK. JQK are called also face cards. They are also called face cards. Ace means, ace is, there are 4 ace cards, there are 4 king cards, there are 4 queen cards. Ace, Ekka. So this is the full information about the playing cards. Now we are going to see example based on these playing cards. Here an example is given. 2 cards are drawn from a well shuffled pack of cards. What is the probability that both are black cards? Second one is king card and other is an ace card. See here, 2 cards are drawn. Here random experiment is, what is the random experiment? Random experiment is drawing 2 cards. Random experiment is drawing 2 cards. Drawing 2 cards out of 52 cards. Out of 52 cards. So how many total outcomes this random experiment has? This random experiment of drawing 2 cards has the total number of outcomes is equal to number of ways of drawing 2 cards out of 52 cards. Number of ways of drawing 2 cards out of 52 cards. There are total 52 cards and number of ways of drawing 2 cards is 52C2. We have already seen such examples in a combination problems. So total number of ways in which 2 cards can be drawn out of 52 cards is equal to 52C2. 52C2 equal to 52 into 51 divided by 2 into 1. This is equal to 226 are 52, 26 into 52 different ways. So therefore n of s is equal to 52C2 is equal to 26 into 51 is 1326. Now this is the total number of sample points. Total number of outcomes is equal to 1326. This is a big number. Now we are asked to find the probability that both are black cards. We have drawn 2 cards. That cards may be king card, queen card, both are red cards, both are black cards. We don't know, whatever it may be. But here given that find the probability that the both cards are black cards. Both cards are black cards. Okay. That is, first we have to find, this is an event. This is an event. First we have to find in how many different ways this event can happen. So there are 26 black cards, we have already know, and 2 black cards out of 26 black cards can be drawn or can be selected in 26 C2 different ways. We have already known 2 cards out of 26, 2 black cards out of 26 black cards can be selected in 26 C2. This is equal to 26 into 25 divided by 2 into 1. This is equal to 325 different ways. Therefore this event A can happen in 325 different ways. Out of 1326 only there are 325 ways, so that we can draw both black cards. Therefore probability of this event A, probability of this event A is P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. n of a is already calculated, 325 divided by 1326 equal to 0.2450. This is the probability, and this values lies between 0 and 1. Now you are asked to find another probability of an event. That event is, one is a king card and other is an ace card. There are 4 kings we know, and there are 4 ace cards. One king card out of 4 can be drawn in 4c1, that is 4 by 1 equal to 4 different ways. And one ace, there are only 4 ace, and out of 4 we have to draw one ace. Out of 4 can be drawn in 4c1 equal to 4 by 1 equal to 4 different ways. Therefore n of a is equal to 4c1 into 4c1 equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 into 4 equal to 16 different ways. Why we have taken multiplication? Because we want one card is king, that can be drawn in 4c1 ways, and we want other card is an ace card, and so this event A can happen in 4c1 into 4c1 equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16 different ways. Therefore probability of this event A is equal to n of A divided by S is equal to 16 divided by 1326 equal to 0.1206. In this way we can find the probability of an event. Examples based on playing cards. Here one more example is given. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that both cards are red cards? A black king card and a red ace card. Both are face card. Just I will give you a hint. You saw the details. You do all the details yourself. Just I want to give a hint. See here again 2 cards are drawn. So random experiment is what here? So random experiment is drawing 2 cards. Picking 2 cards. So in how many different ways this can happen? This can happen in 52c2 different ways, because out of 52 we can draw 2 cards in 52c2 equal to 52 into 51 divided by 2 into 1 equal to 1326. So this is equal to n of s. N of s is equal to 1326. Now first one is asked that both are red cards. How many red cards are there? We know that there are 26 red cards are there. So out of 26 red cards are there, 26 red cards. Out of 26, 2 red cards. 2 red cards can be drawn in how many ways? Can be drawn in 26c2. 26c2 equal to 26 into 25 divided by 2 into 1. This is equal to 13 into 25. 13 into 25. $325. This is equal to 325. Now let A be the event that, what is your event A? First one is, let A be the event that, call that as event as a both cards are red cards. Both cards are red cards. So how many different ways this event A can happen then? Therefore n of A is equal to 325. N of A is equal to 325. Therefore P of A is equal to P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. Same formula. So n of A is 325 divided by 1326. This is equal to 0.1206. 2450. 0.2450. Similarly, second one, what is that second event is given here? A black king card and a red ace card. See here, black king cards. How many black cards are there? 26. How many kings are there? 4 kings. How many black kings are there? Out of 4 kings, 2 are red kings and 2 are black kings. So there are 2 black king cards. There are 2 black king cards. There are 2 black king cards. Black king cards. And a red ace card. How many red ace cards are there? And how many red ace cards are there? And 2 red ace cards. There are 4 ace cards, and out of 4 ace cards, 2 are black and 2 are red. 2 red ace cards are there. 2 red. Therefore, let B be the event. What is that event? One card is black king and other is red ace card. Red ace card. Okay. So in how many different ways this event A, B can happen? So we have to choose one ace cards. Therefore, number of ways of drawing 2 black cards. 2 black king cards. One black king. One black king. One black king out of one black king card out of 2 black king card can be drawn in how many different ways? Drawn in 2C1 different ways. 2C1 different ways. Similarly, since there are 2 red ace cards, similarly, since there are one red ace card can be drawn in 2C1 different ways. 2C1 different ways. Okay. Therefore we require one black king. Therefore one black king and one red ace can be drawn in how many different ways? One black king, that is 2C1 into by multiplication, and so we have taken here product into 2C1. This is equal to 2 by 1 into 2 by 1 into 2 by 1. 2 by 1 into 2 by 1 equal to 4 different ways. Therefore, this event B can happen in 4 different ways. Therefore, probability of the event B is equal to n of B divided by n of S is equal to 4 divided by 1326. This is the solution. Similarly, third one, what is third is given? Both are face cards. How many face cards are there? There are, see here, there are 12 face cards, that is picture cards. There are 12 face cards are there. So out of 12, two face cards can be drawn in 12 C2 different ways. So let's see with the event that two cards are face cards. Face cards. Two face cards out of 12 can be drawn in 12 C2 different ways. 12 C2 equal to 12 into 11 divided by 2 into 1. This is equal to 66. 2 6 are 12. 66 different ways. 66 different ways. Therefore, this event C can happen in, therefore n of C is equal to 66. Therefore, P of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. This is equal to n of C is 66 divided by 1326. In this way, we can find the probability of each event.